In this video, I'll create a 90 issue directly from my Gmail inbox. From the Zapier homepage, click Create and select Zaps. I want my trigger app to be Gmail, so I'll type that here. I want the Zap to trigger when an email in my inbox is starred, so I'll select that option. I need to make sure my Gmail account is connected through Zapier. If you haven't done this before, you'll need to authorize the connection. Then click Continue. Zapier wants to test the trigger. To do that, I need to make sure there's a starred email in the inbox. I'll star this email from Gong with the subject line. A different way to use Gong Academy. The email shares some learning paths available through Gong Academy, and it makes sense to make this an issue to discuss with my team to see how we can use these resources. So I've starred it in my inbox. Now I'll head back to Zapier to continue building. I'll click to see if it can find the record with the starred email. I'll look at the most recent record. And there it is. The email from Gong. I know it's the right one because it's starred. I'll continue with that record selected. Now I'll find the action app, which will be 90. I want to create an issue from that starred email in my inbox. We'll select our action event, then choose our 90 account. If you haven't authorized Zapier to access your 90 account yet, you'll need to do that here and click Continue. I want to configure how my issue will populate. I can use the / key on the keyboard to get suggestions from Copilot. I like the idea of using the email subject as the issue title, so I'll select that here. For Team ID, I'll click into the field and select the team I want the issue to appear on. For interval, I'll choose whether this is a short-term or long-term issue. For description, I can add a note saying this issue was created from Gmail. That's a helpful reminder. I can also add the sender by using the / key to let Copilot help us find it. Scrolling down, I can see the From Email option, which gives useful context. It's possible to include the body of the email, but that may not be valuable for every issue, so I'll leave it as it is. If you want to set a priority, you can do that here. Click Continue. Now Zapier wants to test this step, so I'll click Test. This purple banner means the issue was created in 90. Let's hop over to my 90 account to confirm. In my 90 team, I can see the issue was created exactly as I wanted. A different way to use Gong Academy is the subject of the email, and it's the title of the issue. When I open it, I can see it was created from my Gmail account, and the sender was Gong Academy. As I prep for my weekly team meeting, I can come in and give this issue a priority. I can also add some additional context to the description. For example, how can we utilize the free Gong resources for our team? That's enough context to have a productive discussion. I can also link additional items, add attachments, or leave comments on the issue. If I wanted to change the owner, I could do that too. The Zap worked exactly as I wanted, so I'll rename it to Starred Email to 90 Issue on Enablement Team. Being specific in the title helps me stay organized, especially if I want to build more Zaps in the future. I'll publish it, and my Zap is ready to use. To learn more about 90 integrations, visit our Help Center at help.90.io.